Hello students, in this particular video we are going to study about the data types which are used in database management system. So there are so many different types of data types which we require. Why do we require this data type exactly? That we'll be studying in this particular video. So before that, let us see what are the data types which we require in database management system. So SQL data type is used to define the values that a column can contain. Every column is required to have the name and a data type in the SQL database. So we have different types of data types like binary data type, numeric data type, extract numeric data type, string data type, and date data type. So whenever you enter any data in your database, the data is either string data, text data, number data. Numbers also can be in the form of integer only. It can be in the form of decimal also. So according to that, the data type is given. If your data consists of date, then the date data type is given. If your data consists of some time, then the time constraint data is given. So let us study about different data types. So first is the numeric data type. So int, we use int data type to specify a integer value. If you want to enter 1, 2, 3, 4, any type of integer value, then we are going to use int data type. Then there is next small int. Small int means what? It is used to specify a small integer value. If your integer value is small, then you can use a small int data type. Next is bit. So if you want to store the number of bits, then you can use bit data type. Next is decimal. Now here the decimal, if you want to store any 1.0, 2.33, 3.44, so if you want to enter your numbers in the form of decimal, then you can use the decimal data type. Next is numeric. So inside numeric, you can specify all the numeric values. So any type of number value is called as numeric value, which can be used under the data type numeric. So the next data type is character and string data type. So in this, the first data type is char. So char is basically used to specify a character. The maximum length is 8000 characters. It contains a fixed length and non-Unicode characters. So this particular data type has a fixed length. Okay, you cannot exceed that particular length, and it has a non-Unicode character also. And second is varchar. So varchar has its maximum length up to 8000 characters, and this particular data type can be of variable length. So you can increase the space, you can decrease the space, so it is not fixed. You can change the space if you use varchar data type. And last is text. So in this particular data type, it contains variable length, and it also has a non-Unicode character, and the maximum length is 2147483 characters. So there is a big length for this particular data type, that is the text data type. Next is date and time. So if you are using any type of date while entering in your database, then you have to use a date data type. So it is used to store the date in the form of year, month, and days. Next is time data type. So time data type is used to store time in your database, and it can be stored in the form of hours, minutes, and seconds. So you have to enter in the same format, that is hours, minutes, and second. Even the date has to be entered in the same format, that is year, month, and days. You cannot change the format. And last is timestamp. It stores the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second value. So the timestamp is the combination of both, that is date as well as time. If you want to cover both the types, that is date as well as time, then you have to store it in under the timestamp data type. So this is all about the data type which is related to your database management system. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.